friends, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft tutorial. Today, we're going to be building something a little different here, and we're going to be building this Oshkosh front discharge cement truck. A lot of the Minecraft tutorials for cement mixers I see are for rear discharge units, and I don't really see any for a front discharge truck, so I decided to make one. And you can make this in any colors you want. There's a multitude of different paint schemes out there. I've gone for this orange and white paint scheme because my family works in concrete and that's what I grew up with. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start on the front here, and we're going to put 3 netherite blocks centered where you want your truck to be. On the sides of it, an upside down black stone stair facing forward on each side. Then we're going to put 3 acacia trapdoors on the center and delete the center 3 blocks. Then we're going to turn these stairs into 2x2 plus shapes for the front wheels. Just like that. Then on the top, we're going to put 2 rows of 3 netherite up here. Then we're going to put an acacia slab on either side of these trapdoors and 5 orange concrete across the top. Then a sign on the center, polished black stone button on either side, and on the outer edges, a glow item frame with frog lights. Then a polished black stone on each side of the orange concrete like this. Next, swing around behind here on the top layer, and we're going to put 3 orange concrete on the top middle. On the sides of that, we're going to put an upside down forward facing acacia stair on each side behind the wheel. Now, come behind here on the second layer, and we're going to fill the top middle 3 with a 3x5 of orange concrete coming back. So it looks like this. Then we're going to come up on the front, and we're going to put 3 forward facing acacia stairs on the front middle. Then, behind it, 2 orange concrete on each side like this. Inside of here, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate for a steering wheel, turn around, and a black stone stair for a seat. On this next layer up, we're going to make this U shape of black glass like this. And then cover the top of that with 2 rows of 3 orange concrete here. In front of these stairs, put a red sandstone wall on the center like that. Then on this outer edge, we're going to put 4 orange carpet above this wheel right here, and 4 on this side. Come behind the cab here, on this bottom middle, 3 upside down acacia stairs, and then 2 rows of 3 orange concrete above it. Behind this, we're going to do a 3x3 of red sandstone walls. Then on top, we come out to the side by 1 on each side. Then 3 more walls on the side up here, 3 on this side, and then 3 across this front middle up here. Next, we're going to come up on top of the back here, and we're going to put another red sandstone wall coming up on each side back corner. So 1 here, 1 here. In between there, 3 smooth red sandstone, 1 on the top middle, then a slab above it. Then a red sandstone stair facing outward on either side. Then we're going to come forward with 2 smooth quartz on the top middle and each side, and 2 smooth quartz stairs in these corners. Then 2 smooth quartz slabs on top. Then in front of this down here, we're going to get an upside down acacia stair on the side facing sideways like this. Then turn facing forward and turn facing the other side. Then a right side up stair in the front center right here. Then we're going to switch back over to smooth red sandstone stairs facing outward, come forward 1 around the corner, across the front, and around this corner, all upside down. Then knock out this block down in here, and we're going to put 2 cobblestone slabs in here to look like the cement. Then come around the top of this with smooth red sandstone slabs. Now we're going to put a temporary block in this corner here between these walls. And same thing on this other side here. Then 1 on each side of the front here, and come up by 1 on the front, here and here. Then up here, we're going to put 4 temporary blocks here, 4 on this side. Then we need to come in and get acacia fence gates. And we're going to put 4 on the side of these temporary blocks like this. 1 facing this way in the corner. And we actually need another temporary block in the center up here. So we can get 3 across here, 1 here, come around the side, and 4 here. Then we can take out all of these temporary blocks here. And put acacia trapdoors, 4 right there. Take out this temporary block. Then we'll knock out these 3. And 3 acacia trapdoors across this front middle. Take out these 2 temporary blocks. Then take out these 4. And put 4 acacia trapdoors across here. And take out this final temporary block here. And then, just to make it look like that railing's wrapping around up here, we can open these 2 fence gates. Now on this side, we're actually going to take out this carpet, put 2 acacia fences, and then 3 fence gates on the side for a ladder. And we can actually take out this top one so you can climb up there. Next, we'll work on the chute, so come up here on top of this wall, and 2 spruce fences. Above it here, we're going to take smooth red sandstone slabs, and we'll come out by 4. And actually, we'll make 3 slabs right here, and actually 1 in the center on the front like that. Then take out that and put it like this. Then we'll take acacia signs and get 3 on the sides of this part here, and 3 on the other side, so it looks like a chute. And I'm still not liking how this looks here, so we're going to modify it a little more. We're going to put another slab here and here, take this one off, move it up 1, and put that in a double slab so it looks like this. That's a little better. Now we're going to come on the side of this orange concrete back here, 1 block back from these walls, and put 2 orange shulker boxes. Same thing on this side. Then we do the water tank, so above that, we're going to go 5 wide of acacia stairs back to back. Just like that. Then we'll take acacia stairs on the side of this back here, and put a right side up stair on each side of the orange concrete like this. Then we're going to put 2 acacia slabs on the side here, and 2 on this other side for the extra chutes. And on the side of those, we're going to grab an acacia sign and put 2 acacia signs on the side of these 2 slabs. And then of course, same thing on this side, 2 signs on the side of these slabs. Just like that. Now on the next block down behind this, a temporary block on each side like this. Leave a gap of 2 and another pair, a gap of 2 and another pair, a gap of 2 and another pair. So we have 4 pairs here. Then take black stone stairs upside down facing forward on the sides of all of these. Same thing on this side. Then we can take out all these temporary blocks. They were just to get the stairs in place. Then we're going to turn all of these stairs into a 2x2 plus shape of stairs for all of the wheels. So back to back upside down, and then come through and back to back right side up. So we should end up with 8 plus shape wheels here. Then in between these wheel sets, on the upper hip box of the bottom block, we're going to put 2 rows of 3 polished blackstone slabs in between all 4 of these. Just like that. Then we're going to fill this top middle 3 in between the wheels with orange concrete on this second layer and bring it to the back. And we're going to come 1 block past the back wheels. Then put an acacia stair on top of each side like this. In between each wheel up here, put a single acacia slab. And then same thing on this side. Then, on these top outer edges, we're going to cover this with a layer of orange carpet coming up across the tops of these wheels. And then same thing on this side here. Just like that. And actually we're going to change these back 3 orange concrete to acacia slabs on the upper hip box. Then 2 slabs up the middle, then 3 across behind that, and 1 on the back middle. In these 2 gaps, we're going to put 2 acacia fence gates here, and 2 on this side here. Now, above the acacia slabs, so 1 block in from the outside, starting here and here, we do a row of 5 orange concrete coming to the back on each side, and 1 on the back middle. I accidentally placed some over there. Then on top of the back here, deep slate tile stair in the center, acacia stair on each side, then 3 orange concrete in front of it on each side. 1 on this middle on top here, then in this middle block on bottom, 2 deep slate tile slabs. Then on top, acacia slab on each side of the back, deep slate tile in the center. Then 2 rows of 3 acacia slabs here. Then right here, 3 polished blackstone walls, then a wall on this side with an iron trap door, and a wall on this side with a flower pot. Then in front of this on bottom, we're going to put 3 levers right here and close them going into that. In front of that, an upside down T-shape of orange concrete with an outward facing acacia stair on either side, and on the top middle, a grindstone. Then we'll come back on the side of this engine compartment here and close 2 acacia trapdoors here and 2 on this side here. Now come on this corner here, put a crimson button on the side right here. Same thing over here. On the back on each side, we're going to do a glow item frame with redstone blocks. Then a birch sign in the center, open an acacia fence gate under it. Then we're going to put a sideways acacia fence gate on bottom here, and here. Then we're going to take out polished blackstone button here, 1 up here, and 1 on this side up here. Now we'll do the actual barrel, so we're going to come in front of this here, and we're going to come 2 blocks long and 3 blocks tall with a plus shape of smooth quartz. Then we're going to come in all the corners with smooth quartz stairs, so upside down stairs here, right side up here, and then same thing on this side here. Now this barrel gets wider here, so we're going to have to make a little design sacrifice here, and we're going to have to take out some of this carpet. So we're going to take out these 2 here, and these 2 on this side. In the middle, 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz blocks, and 2 upside down smooth quartz stairs on the side of it, and on this side here. Then 2 smooth quartz on the side, on each side. And we'll actually raise that up another 2 smooth quartz. Cover the top up here. Then 2 smooth quartz stairs on either side of the top of this, and fill the middle with smooth quartz blocks. Come on back and put a stair facing backwards right here. Then we're going to put a right side up stair here and here on the sides. Now, for the next section of the barrel here, we're going to come in front of this, on top of the orange concrete in the center, and we'll do 3 smooth quartz coming forward. And actually, we'll go ahead and make that 4 blocks long. Then, on the sides of that, we'll do outward facing, upside down, smooth quartz stairs. So 4 here, 4 on this side, then a row of 4 smooth quartz on top of each side, and another row of upside down smooth quartz stairs on either side up here. Then, above that, we'll do 2 layers of smooth quartz blocks, 4 long on each side. Then, 4 outward facing right side up smooth quartz stairs on each side of that section, and fill the middle with smooth quartz blocks here. Then a smooth quartz stair like this in the center, then one on each side so it wraps around the corner. And then go ahead and fill in this end with smooth quartz so it's solid. Then in front of that, we're going to come in the middle, but 1 block up from the orange concrete this time. And we'll use smooth quartz blocks again and put 3 of them here. Then 3 upside down smooth quartz stairs on each side of that. Then on the top, cover it in smooth quartz blocks. Then 2 upside down smooth quartz stair outwards, 1 forwards. Same here, 2 outwards, 1 forward. On top, 2 outward and 1 forward so it wraps around the corner, and same thing on this side. Fill this middle with smooth quartz blocks, and then the top middle with 3. On top of that, 3 outward facing smooth quartz stairs on each side. Then in here, we're going to make a plus shape of smooth quartz blocks aligned with the red sandstone in front of it like this, and bring that back on all 4 till it connects. And then of course upside down stairs here, right side up here, copy it on this side. Then we're going to come in and grab smooth quartz slab, and we need 2 on this bottom middle under here, and then we're going to bring them across this top middle back until you get right here. Now this completes the truck here, and we could be done here, but I'm still not liking how the chute on the front looks, so I think we're going to modify it a little bit here. So we're going to come up here, and we're just going to delete everything of this chute, because it doesn't look right. So delete all of the smooth red sandstone and signs, and also this front fence. Then put a fence on the side here, because these rotate, we're going to put it to the side. Then 2 slabs above the fence like this, 2 acacia signs on the front, 1 on this side here. Then we'll come over here, get a temporary block right here, and above it we're going to put a smooth red sandstone stair facing this way. So now it's rotated to the side, and it looks more proportional here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Oshkosh front discharge cement truck. I hope you enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.